I had a request from Barbara Paul who said, how do you make this bracelet without a jig? So here goes.
So to make one of these units without a jig, you can see the shape here. It goes from here to there to here to there. And then these bits get spiraled and finished off. So once you can see the shaping of that, you can get your wire, and I would reckon about 5 inches. So let's measure about 5 inches for each unit. Allow that. So cut lots of these. I've used for a bracelet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then my clasp. And then what you'll do is leave about 20 millimeters to start. Place your round nose pliers, depending on the size of the loops that you're going to make, leaving this excess, and then go round one way, and then place the pliers next to that and go round the other way like a figure of 8. And it's up to you how big you make that gap, but you've got to do it the same each one. And then bring your pliers back there again, and this one wants to be above this one, and then back again around the other way. And you can see every time you put your pliers in, you can just spend a bit of time just making sure it's exactly on the right size as that one. And then this one wants to be on the right level as that one. So these and these are on the same level. And if you use too much wire, just reel it in with your pliers. And that's what you basically, each of the units should look like. You can make them more fancy. You can do one more loop, but this is how I've made this particular bracelet. And now just check. So you allowed 20 there, and you want 20 there. Yeah, that's pretty good. You just tiny little bit of a trim so that they're roughly the same. And then all you have to do is finish off with a tight spiral. So you make a little hook, squish that in, and then bring that right up to that last. And then you want to do the same on this one. So tiny little hook, squish that in there, and then bring that in right up to. So that's what the units will look like. Now this is still soft. I mean, you could make a bit smaller than this. I made the loops quite big. And so now you need to hammer. Try not to hammer the crossover section. So go to the ends of your loops, go to your spirals, and then just pull it out. This one could do with a little bit shape there. Can you see where I've hammered? I've hammered nowhere over those crosses. I've hammered just on the edges. So this stabilizes this unit. Now it's nice and tough. So if you make lots of those units, can you see how you would link them together with jump rings? So you just make your jump rings and they would link together here, link, link. And you can see that there, how that's linked. And that is it. And then you can fit a clasp. So I hope that's helped you see how you can make that without a jig.
So Barbara, I hope that's given you an idea of how to create this bracelet without a jig. So have fun making your own version. Bye for now.